Good morning. We are on day 2. We are about to go find some waterfalls that are just outside of where we're staying in Furnace. First we got to go to the grocery store. This was in your checked bag, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, good, because I don't want to go through what we went through. When we were in China, they made us throw away all of our battery packs that we've had, and we had like tiny ones. So I was pissed.
You gotta make sure you got the battery capacity
compatible with whatever country you're going to, I guess. Maybe it's just
no, there's like
China.
a maximum capacity they allow.
Turn left.
And they're just gonna throw it out if it doesn't say the capacity of the battery.
Okay.
Take the next left again.
So anyway, what did you buy us for snacks today?
Potato strings and hot dogs in a jar.
Hot dogs in a jar.
You wanna take it out of the bag and take a look?
What the hell?
Hot dogs in a jar.
Look at this. It's literally, I mean, I guess, but I kind of want a bun with this, but I guess we're SOL, huh? We made it to our next location to see waterfalls. I think we're visiting Salto do Prego. I think that's the name of the place that we're visiting.
So you butchered it.
I'm sure I'm... Shut up. I'm checking in to let you know I'm half dead. Mom, if I pass out or die in these woods, it's this guy's fault. Look what I have ahead of me. And we've come from all the way down there somewhere. How are you feeling, hubby? So smug. Now this guy is going to try to take a swim in that cold water, and he's crazy. I'm not going to do that. Hot dogs at the waterfall. We are on a hike number 2 to another waterfall. I'm half dead. I can't breathe. I should do more cardio in the gym instead of lifting weights, because this right here,
There's all squats right here.
this is not all squats. That hike took about 1 hour. I'm dead. And we still have one more hike to go to. And all I ate was a hot dog, so I might be hangry by the end of this. Who knows? We've made it to the previously abandoned village. Starting to come back again. Residents are moving back. But it still has that old world abandoned creep to it. Listen, guys, I am happy to say we are almost done. We have been hiking for how many hours?
A lot.
A lot of hours. See, when I shoot this way, just come look. I am mad dark because the sun is going this way.
I'm saying, maybe take a video of the vista first.
I did.
And then when you have proper lighting, that's
I did.
Nope.
You do what you want. I do what I want.
That's what you want.
So, in better lighting, because, you know, I'm black, and I need good lighting for my skin to show up on the screen. You already know this. Stop playing with me.
Oh, you just stepped on horse poop. Just kidding.
What if I would have, like, got startled and tripped and fell down this hill?
Yeah, I would laugh at you because you got startled from horse poop and rolled down a hill because of it.
Shut up. This is how much he did not pay attention to me. That he did not see me talking to you guys on my camera in the abandoned village. You know what he was worried about? His amazing photos that he posts on Facebook that nobody uses. No one...
just focusing on, you know, enjoying the natural beauty.
No, you weren't. No one is on Facebook anymore.
Elon is.
Oh, I'm telling you. I'm getting better lighting here, so I can get this vista, baby. I'm not getting lighting to take a photo, GQ.
I'm just soaking it in, Hilton.
No, you're not.
I really am.
I don't believe you.
I didn't even know you were taking a video. Get the hell out of here. Get that shit out of my face. No, you're lame.
We just got back from a great dinner at this place called Tony's in Furnas.
Holy crap, I'm surprised you didn't butcher that name.
I didn't butcher Tony's. So I'm being forced to take some activated charcoal.
You butchered that. That's pretty bad.
You butchered that. That's what you just said. So you butchered it.
No, that's like the advanced form of butchering something. You butcher it.
So to get my money's worth, I drank a bottle of wine by myself. And we still have a hot dog alone. We still have this single hot dog, which is... I will see you guys in the next vlog. Hopefully, I will be very well rested after this crazy day. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Say bye-bye, babe.